Hey y'all, hey, it's Troyia Monay back to y'all with another video. Today's video is super exciting. I know I say that in every video, but y'all, today's video, super exciting. We are finally at 20,000 plus subscribers, y'all. I am so excited. It is 20,000 plus of you guys who have been super dedicated to my videos. So thank you guys so much for all of the love, all of the support, all the comments. I try my best to reach out and comment back to all of you guys, so thank you so much for all of the love and all of the support. You guys have definitely been showing out on my channel, and I just thank you guys so much for keeping me going and all of the positive feedback and all of that good stuff. But y'all, we're at 20,000 plus subscribers, so you know your girl had to do a giveaway. I was actually supposed to do this giveaway at 10,000 subscribers, but I got 20,000 subscribers in like a month. I reached 20,000 subscribers in a month, and it's crazy, y'all. So it's really crazy to think that 20,000 subscribers was my end of year goal, and we're not even 2 months into the new year. That is wild. I told myself January 1st, when I was sitting down writing all of my goals, that I will have 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're not even done with February, and I reached 20,000 plus subscribers, y'all. So I am feeling super blessed. I just thank you guys so much, like I said, for all of the love, all of the support. So of course I had to do a giveaway to celebrate and to just say thank you guys for all of the love and all of that good stuff. So y'all, this giveaway is going to be huge. If you have not started your boutique yet, this is definitely a giveaway for you. Even if you've started, this is still a giveaway for you. Definitely some really good items in this giveaway, and y'all, it is going to be lit. So first we are going to go over all of the rules and all of that good stuff, and then we're gonna save all of the prizes at the end. So make sure you guys are staying tuned throughout the video, so you guys are knowing, you know, all of the rules and regulations, so you don't miss anything. And then we are going to get into the prizes last. So first rule, you must be following me on Instagram at Troyia Monay. I'm super excited to start posting some more content. I know I don't really talk about boutique and business and YouTube too much on my personal account, but I really want to start implementing some more of that as well. So make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on my personal account at Troyia Monay. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow at Her Hustle Academy. I am doing a free webinar, y'all. I was gonna save this information, but you know I can't hold water, so we're gonna go ahead and share it here. I am doing a free vendors crash course on February 28th, y'all. It is going to be lit. It is a free webinar. We are literally going to sit down for an hour straight, and we are going to do nothing but talk about vendors. We're going to be researching vendors, talking about what to do while you're looking for vendors, talking about what we're going to do before you go ahead and look for vendors. So y'all, it's gonna be lit. So make sure you guys are following me over at Her Hustle Academy, and use the link in the bio to sign up for the emailing list, so you're notified when we go ahead and do that webinar. You guys must be following at No Issue Co. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow No Issue, y'all. They are sponsoring today's video, and we'll get more so into the product that they're sponsoring later on down the line. Give this video a big thumbs up. That is definitely one of the rules. Thank you guys, like I said, so much for the love and support. So give this video a big thumbs up if you are liking my content so far. And then last but not least, go ahead and comment down below the money bag emoji, y'all. One thing I forgot to mention throughout the video is to please make sure you guys go ahead and comment down below your Instagram names as well, just so I can make sure I'm tracking that you guys are actually following the different pages. I forgot to mention that, so I definitely wanted to go through and add that here. So go through, make sure you go ahead and comment down below that money bag emoji, and then also comment down below your Instagram name as well. Comment down below the money bag emoji, and that will definitely go ahead and secure you into the giveaway, y'all. It is money bag season. I am going to be doing a lot more videos as far as how to get sales, how to have a successful launch day, all of that good stuff. So it is money season, so make sure you guys go ahead down below and comment down below the money bag emoji. So yeah, y'all, those are all pretty much all of the rules. Like I said before, you must be following me on Instagram at Troyia Monay. You must be following at Her Hustle Academy on Instagram, and you must be following at No Issue Co on Instagram. You must give this video a big thumbs up. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. I don't know if I said that before, but make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel so you can join the 20,000 plus growing family. So make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then you must also comment down below the money bag emoji. So those are some of the rules to make sure that you are entered into the giveaway. Make sure you guys are definitely subscribed to my channel. That'll definitely get you into the giveaway. So make sure you guys go ahead and do that. Yeah, we're gonna hop right on into the prizes. I know y'all tired of me rambling, going on and on and on about everything. So make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned, y'all. First prize is going to be first. Oh, hold on. First. Y'all, I forgot to mention, there is going to be 2 winners to this giveaway. Not 1 winner, there is going to be 2 winners. So 2 lucky winners will win everything included in this giveaway, y'all. I think that just made it a little bit better. So yes, there is going to be 2 winners. I forgot to mention that earlier. So 2 winners. So let's hop right on to the prizes so you 2 lucky people will know exactly what they will be winning. First prize. The first prize is going to be a free 1-hour coaching session with me. Y'all, my coaching sessions have been so lit. I've been learning a lot from you guys. You guys have been learning a lot from me. So it's super exciting to just sit down with a lot of you guys that have been subscribing to my channel and really just dissect your brands, talk about the things that you like about your brands, the things that you want to fix, me giving off my tips and tricks. So it's literally just an hour of us sitting down, me answering any questions that you guys have about your business, me giving off, like I said, my tips and tricks, whether it be about vendors, whether it be about marketing, branding, how to get started, the steps to start your business, whether it be about your LLC and your legals and all of that. So y'all, my free coaching session is going to be lit for those 2 lucky winners. I'm super excited to sit down and talk to you guys about your business plans, and all of that good stuff. You're free to schedule that whenever you are free, so we can definitely go through and dissect your brand. So super excited about that. The next prize is going to be 100 no issue recycled mailers, y'all. That is huge. 100 mailers. If somebody gave me 100 mailers when I first started my boutique, or even now, 100 recycled mailers, that is huge. So No Issue is sponsoring today's video, like I said earlier, and they will be giving you guys 100 poly mailers, recycled mailers, for free for 2 lucky winners. So you each will get 100 mailers, y'all. Crazy lit. So make sure you guys go ahead and enter that giveaway. Next thing you guys will get is going to be first dibs on my vendor list. I said it, period. It's here. This is the first time I'm announcing it, y'all. I am having an exclusive vendor list on my site. Y'all know I don't have no gimmicks, y'all. I don't do the scamming, any of that. So my vendor list is going to be exclusive. A lot of these vendors you guys have not seen on Fashion Go. You guys have not seen these on Alibaba. A lot of these vendors are very exclusive. The only way to get in contact with them is going to be through WhatsApp. So definitely stay tuned. You will get a free vendor list from me. These vendors, like I said, are super exclusive, and you'll get first dibs on that before I release it out to the public, y'all. So definitely make sure you guys enter the giveaway. We're not even done yet. I feel like that's some good prizes right there, but we're not even done yet, y'all. The next thing is going to be a free shipping scale. I know a lot of you guys are first starting out your business, and a lot of you guys may have not even been able to afford it. You just don't even want to buy everything there is to buy when it comes into your business. So you guys will be getting a free shipping scale sent directly to you. So 2 lucky winners will win that as well. And last but not least, you guys will be getting a free storage bins, y'all. I know in one of my previous videos I had my storage bins in the background, and you guys literally every day, I promise you, I at least get 2 or 3 comments on that video talking about where you get your storage bins, where do you get your storage bins. I should have gone and put it in the description. I don't know why I didn't, but you guys will be getting those free storage bins as well, sent directly to your doorstep, y'all. It is lit. So I'm super excited. So just make sure you guys go ahead and sign up for the giveaway. So just to reiterate everything, you'll get a free 1-hour business coaching session with me. You'll get 100 no issue recycled mailers courtesy of No Issue. You'll get free first dibs on my vendor list once it's available in the month of March. You'll get a free shipping scale, and then you'll also get those storage bins as well, y'all. So I'm super excited about this giveaway. Thank you guys so much, like I said earlier, for 20,000 subscribers, y'all. It is lit. I'm super excited. Thank you guys so so much for all of the love and all of the support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys go ahead and enter the giveaway. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys when it starts and when it ends. So the giveaway will start on Wednesday, February 17th, and it will end on Tuesday, February 23rd at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys are in a different time zone, make sure you guys go ahead and sign up for the giveaway now, just so you're not, you know, rushing to sign up on the last day. But it will close at exactly 11:59 on Tuesday, February 23rd. So make sure you guys go ahead and sign up for the giveaway. I'm super excited for everything. I will be announcing the giveaway winner on February 24th. So make sure you guys go ahead and turn on those notification bells so you can figure out whether or not you won the giveaway, y'all. Thank you guys so much for 20,000 subscribers. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.